This fertilizer is for free. Simply water your Zamioculcas with it, and it will produce new leaves. Although this plant is easy to maintain, the emergence of new shoots is not a common occurrence. If you want to see young leaves, ensure proper nutrition for your Zamioculcas. To prepare this fertilizer, you only need one ingredient. Put rice in a jar and pour warm water over it. Wait a few hours until the water becomes cloudy. This suspension is rich in silicon, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, potassium, and vitamins. Water your Zamioculcas with it to nourish its roots and stems. You can also use cooled water from cooked rice. This fertilizer is like a vitamin bomb and also provides hydration. Repeat the procedure once every 2 weeks. You will quickly notice that the plant starts producing new shoots. Rice water alters the soil's acidity and protects against diseases. You can also use it to water other potted plants. Making it practically costs nothing, yet the results are astonishing.
Place Lily of the Valley in your living room. It will smell like floral perfume, delicate and sweet. For the bedroom, choose lavender. It will fill the space with a soothing fragrance that calms and relaxes. In the bathroom, place eucalyptus. It will smell like fresh citrus perfume, crisp and clean. Just 1 tablespoon of this mixture, and your plants will be covered with beautiful, full blooms. With this fertilizer, your potted flowers will have large, green leaves. The key to beautiful plants is regular care and proper feeding. To start, grab a blender and add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Cinnamon has antifungal and antibacterial properties. It protects the roots and supports their growth. The next ingredient is coffee. It's a source of nitrogen, which promotes leaf growth and improves soil quality. Add 2 tablespoons of coffee to the blender. Now it's time for rice. Best to use white, unrefined rice. Rice contains B vitamins, iron, potassium, and phosphorus. These nutrients help with flowering and plant immunity. Add 1 tablespoon. Blend all the ingredients into a fine powder. In this form, the plants will absorb the nutrients more quickly and effectively. Transfer the mixture to a smaller container. Add 1 tablespoon to the soil in the pot and gently mix it in. This fertilizer works for all types of plants, both flowering and green ones. Use it every 2 weeks. That's all you need to see amazing results quickly, naturally, effectively, and completely for free, using ingredients you already have at home. Here's how to clean your artificial flowers. They'll look like new, and you won't have to buy new ones. It's worth cleaning artificial flowers, whether they're part of floral arrangements or just decorations at home. I'll show you how to do it so they look brand new. Cleaning artificial flowers doesn't require any special equipment. For plastic flowers, the easiest method is to place them in the dishwasher on a low temperature. Secure them between the racks, and after cleaning, they'll look fresh. For fabric flowers, wash them by hand. Start by dusting the petals with a large brush. Prepare a bowl of warm water with baby shampoo and a few drops of essential oil. Gently clean the petals using a toothbrush, then dry them with a towel. Immediately use cool air from a hairdryer to prevent stains. You'll have beautiful, reusable flowers. You'll never need to throw them away again.